the coolest animes I've seen growing up because of how amazing this main lead's ability is. Let's get into it. Basically, it starts off with celestial beings who are having a secret tournament in order to decide the next king of celestial beings, aka God. Do these celestial beings fight these tournaments themselves? No, they don't. Rather, they choose to recruit a middle schooler each. So basically, 100 middle schoolers, and each of them is bestowed upon a supernatural ability to fight this tournament. And our lead, Ueki, is one such participant, basically with his ability to turn trash into trees. And his celestial being or god candidate is Mr. Kobayashi, his homeroom teacher. Now, when others find out that Ueki turns trash into trees, he's obviously mocked at because that is viewed as one of their weakest skills. But because Ueki has a sense of justice and in order to protect the ones who are innocent, he goes all out, and because he's also like Luffy, his imagination knows no bounds, so he comes up with some pretty amazing weapons. There's a couple of things to note in the show of Law of Ueki. If you're the last person standing in this tournament, you get to win the talent of blank. Basically, whatever talent you desire, you could ask if you win this show. So if you want the talent of popularity, it's yours. If you want the talent of dancing, it's absolutely yours to keep. And your god candidate actually ends up becoming the next king of celestial beings. The Law of Ueki is one such show that has the right blend of action, comedy, humor, and a very strong moral center. Because as and when the show progresses, you watch Ueki fighting for those who are in. Because one more thing to note is that if you happen to use your power against a non-talent user or a non-power user, you kind of end up losing a talent each. So it's kind of basically pointless because every time you lose a talent, you kind of lose an upper hand in the tournament. And once you end up exhausting all your talents, you kind of just stop existing. So that itself is a very scary thought. I want to know what your talent of blank would be in your comments. Let me know. Until next time.